Hey guys, what's up? Baller here. Second game po natin ngayon, July 31st, 2022. PBA game day. This is gonna be a battle. Meralco Bolts going up against Barangay Ginebra. This is game number 3, do or die battle for these two teams. Again, that's Meralco going up against Ginebra dito sa quarterfinals natin. That's gonna be, is it 6:30 or 7? Double check ko lang 6:30 p.m. That's in Mall of Asia Arena. Ini-invite lang uli natin yung mga hindi pa dyan nakakapag-subscribe sa YouTube account natin, Pasay Baller. Pakiclick lang yung subscribe button sa baba. Sama nyo na yung bell logo para automatic makaka-receive kayo ng notifications whenever may bagong prediction or may bagong video tong channel na to. Okay, alright. Game number 3. Meralco Bolts winning the first, the first game ng medyo convincing fashion, 'di ba? Malaki yung lamang ng Meralco, medyo dominating pa nga. Game number 2, it's a bit different. Di kita yung laro all along. Napaka-physical, ang daming nagtututumba, ang daming nagdugo, 'di ba? Pero mga bandang fourth quarter nag-breakaway yung Ginebra. Actually, Ginebra had a huge lead noong halftime pero Meralco had a great comeback ng third quarter. Even took the lead for some time pero nakuha ulit ng Ginebra. Dikitan pa rin eh. Yung bandang dulo na lang talaga umalagwa yung Ginebra with that slam dunk pa nga ni Japet Aguilar, di ba? So, approaching this game number 3, let's just forget about the skills. Let's just forget about the numbers. Akin lang to honestly, this is a very hard pick for everyone. Of course, Ginebra fans would say Ginebra, and of course, Meralco Bulls would say Meralco. So maganda yan. Hindi ako fan ng both teams. Skills, well, we have to, again, I'm not saying both teams are skillful. They are very skillful. They are very good. They are wanting to win. They would want to proceed with the semis. So, kaya nga sabi ko, medyo kalimutan muna natin yung ibang factors dito. Isa lang yung talagang kino-consider ko dito, and that is yung mentality na talaga. Mental status ng bawat teams. Nung nanalo yung Meralco ng game number 1, I was like thinking, yeah, I guess it's Meralco's time. It's Meralco's time naman para matalo ang Ginebra sa series at sila naman yung mag-forward at habang Ginebra maiiwan. That's what I was thinking. But when Ginebra actually snatched game number 2, doon na. Nagbago na talaga yung complexion ng isip ko. Why? I'm not saying Meralco can't do it. Obviously, Meralco can, di ba? Ang ganda naman talaga ng laban na to. Kinukuha ng Meralco pa nga yung lamang, di ba? Kahit sa mga previous series. It's just that, man, for the past few series, Ginebra talaga yung nagwawagi sa mga series. Mga heartbreakers pa nga yung iba doon. So, if you are Meralco, iba yung mental state mo eh. Aminin mo mat sa hindi, meron kang konting takot. Yes, of course, merong gigil. Gusto mong bumawi. Pero iba pa rin eh. Na para bang, oh man, here we go again. Ginebra na naman. Tala na naman tayo dito. Something like that. Of course, you're not trying to be negative, but, sometimes you're just being true. It's just that kapag ka do or die battle, lamang ang Ginebra. They've been there, they've done that. Yun yung ibig ko sabihin. So, it's gonna be very tough for Meralco to actually do this one. Kaya nga I was thinking Meralco should get that game number 2. And that, for me, that was their way for them to move forward. Pero pag mapupunta tayo ngayon dito sa do or die battle game number 3, it's just gonna be too hard, man. Especially kahit pa sabihin mo mas healthy ang Meralco kasi nga wala si Tolentino for Ginebra. Man, I guess Ginebra has a huge lead in terms of the mental state. I checked on the spread, dikitan lang din naman to, minus 1.5 for Ginebra, so mag-moneyline na lang kayo. This is still gonna be, a very close selection for me, almost a toss coin. But because of what happened, I'm picking Ginebra moneyline. Minus 1.5 lang din again yung spread, so let's just do moneyline for safety reasons. I would love Meralco to move forward. Gusto kong makita yon, but for the prediction and for picks sake, I'm picking Ginebra moneyline. Again, that's Ginebra money line. Peace out. Pasay love. God bless.